Alright guys, welcome to the last tutorial of this our 7 days video editing masterclass. In tonight's session, we will be learning how to create a whiteboard animation. Okay, so the first thing you need to know about creating a whiteboard animation is you need to seek for like inspiration. Do you understand what you want to create? You need to get ideas. Assuming you don't know what to create right now, you just go to this your chat GPT. You see this tool is really important because it helps you in giving you content creation ideas. So you go to chat GPT and type give me a script I can use and create a whiteboard animation in Binime. Then you just give it a command that it should give you a script you can use and create a whiteboard animation. But this is not just the only thing you need to type. You need to tell ChatGPT like what you want the whiteboard animation to be all about. But I will say this, if you're doing your assignment, let this stuff be business related. Okay, so you will tell ChatGPT, okay, I want it to be a minute script. That is to say that this thing it will not be longer than a minute. That is 60 seconds video. I want it to be a minute script that expresses or talks about the importance of education, something like this. In your own case, you can use something else. You can then tell ChatGPT what you want your creation to be all about. Do you understand? I'm just writing this stuff as an example. So then you tell ChatGPT, once you're done telling it to give you a script, then you tell it how many minutes it will last. Then you tell the GPT what you want the script to be all about. Now it's time for you to tell ChatGPT why creating the script, do well and add the names of the images that you suit each scene. Do you understand? What I just told ChatGPT to do now is, while it's writing the script, it should add the images. This thing is not names. Okay, yes, the names of images. That is the images that will be matching each scene of the script. If scene 1 just talks about education helps us to build a better financial life, then this command I gave it here now, this while creating the script, do well to add the names of the images that suit each scene. This command will tell ChatGPT, if the scene 1 is all about education helps to give us a better financial life, then you should give me the name of image I should go to Google and download that will suit this scene 1. Maybe it will be about somebody reading or somebody thinking. Do you understand? So this is how you paste your prompts. If there's any other additional thing you need or you want to be specific about, then you do what? You send it, you type it in. But I think that's all for now. So if I am to send this script, this is what I'm going to have. Have you seen it? So this is what I have here. Here is a 1 minute whiteboard animation script you can use in Binime. And make sure you mention this Binime so that it will know the one you're using, like what the app you're using. So this is it. Scene 1, education is the key that opens door to endless opportunities. You see that image suggestion? That image suggestion is because of this last command we gave it here. That command, while creating the script, do well and add the names of the images. So in this scene one, you have to go to Google and browse in this scene one, you have to go to Google and browse the image mentioned here in this video, a drawing of a big key unlocking a door with lights shining through. So the same thing is applicable to scene 2, and in the next tutorial, which you will go and watch in YouTube, then you will find out how to do what, how you're going to place the text and the images and every other stuff you need to know about. So this is the scene. It have already generated the scene for us. Now this is all we have for this part 1 of the tutorial. See you guys in part 2.